Привітання, хлопчики і дівчини веселушки, з вами знову Коміхась. Сьогодні у нас середа. На жаль, пан Слешер захворів. Тому... это саме. Far Cry переносится на наступную середу. А сегодня мы будем проходить GTA 5. А что-то тычется музыки. Не видно. Буду с трекином прилетать. Напомню, я просто не буду выкладывать это на YouTube тогда. Будет эксклюзивчик для Твича. Вы должны изучать все сегменты полоски. При этом сам логотип должен быть мой. Все совпадает? Все совпадает. Не ведаю, в чем причина. GTA надо пропустить. Так. Що, нам не треба GTA плюс, нам так само не треба сюжетний режим бой. Привязать учетную запись, ну-ка. Зарегистрироваться в IFT. Вы этого не мусите бачить, да? А чи есть у меня как стар запись некая? Ну ладно, ну-ка. Керовані. Я русскую мову обрал. Чекайте, я не знаю, чому хуліна. Давайте почекайте. Давай по новой. О. Скип. Так а что это самое? Rockstar Games аккаунт. Треба заводить та треба чи як? І не треба. Як я називається Social Club? Ну-ка давайте загуглим. Rockstar Social Club. Sign in. Using PlayStation. Ну-ка, погнали. Есть. Mail. Ні, не той мейл. Create new account. О. Джон, так, July 13, 1998. Never forget it. I have read. Oh my god. Так, пробелы недозволены, чудовно. Sorry, we're unable to handle. You requested this time. Чому? Рокстар не працює з Білорусі? Давай полон берем, ну-ка. Не хочеш. Ага, інша помилка. Ну и что, тогда будем гулять без этого самого. Без привязки до аккаунта. Вітаю, вітаю. Стоп. Та напевно не треба, то більш клани та інші онлайн активності, особливо на PC. Ага. І ну, мені пропонував ще одну долучення. Креті не змог зареєструватися і хази. Вітанки, до речі. Evil Dive. Evil Dive. Evil Dive. Так. Де субтитри? Контроллер speaker off. Могут game new game create menu online. Controls audio. Camera display voice chat. Notification. Где субтитры? Мапа, брифинг, налады. Контрол, это не то, правильно? Settings, аудио, диалог, радио, voice, контроллер. Restore defaults. Нема. Камера, дисплей. Может быть, тут субтитры есть. Subtitles. О. Включить. Все. Гуляем. Так, помогим. Go to guard.
Hands behind your back. Come on, mister. We're giving you everything you want. Don't even think about it.
I'll do it, I'll do it. Oh, God.
Get in there.
Sit tight! I'll handle the plastic!
Don't blow yourself up. Pay attention.
What's he doing?
Em,
He's gonna
get
kill
these
us in
assholes
here.
in the closet.
Leave us alone!
We didn't do shit to you. On your feet. In the
Говорит, нас
back.
типа научают
Come on.
целить. Я не могу ходить вокруг.
All set. Phone it in.
I'm calling it.
Маяк потелефоновали, выбухнул.
All right, we gonna do this? Show me the money. Slow and steady, T. Slow and steady. That's the score.
Так, берем гроши.
There's enough here for us all to enjoy. Depends on how you look at it.
200 тысяч?
Let's go.
Серьезно, ризиковаться 200 тысяч?
Give it up! I got him! I saw your face, I'll remember you. You get 1,000 things every day. How about you make sure this is one of them? I've seen his eyes! He's crazy! No one's crazy!
Так ще натиснуть можу.
Be cool! That's right, pal! I'm fucking crazy!
Ага, зрозумів.
Oh boy!
It'll be quick.
Fuck! You didn't have to do that!
Let's get going. There'll be time for grieving later.
Yeah, you got that right. Move!
Get covered. Окей.
I'm setting the charges. They're on a timer, so brace yourselves.
Фок.
Fuck, you hear that? Siren. Fuck the cops.
Сирена.
T, hit the shutter switch.
What's this? Local resistance?
It ain't supposed to go down like this.
It never is. Come on, go!
Get down!
Wrong profession.
Своего задавили. Приехали, своего
Be
задавили.
an idiot.
Back the fuck down.
Блин, только прицелишься, но ховаются уже,
Come
ну.
on, guys!
Blame the press
Uh-huh.
who called you out here.
Move! 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 We're coming through!
Get out of the way or suffer the consequence.
Dumb fucking cops! Get out of here!
Да усинчу голову було.
Get out of the way.
Тупих хітбокси.
Get in their faces! Who snitched? It's your last day!
They answered the wrong call.
Fuck these guys! Let's move!
Так, вітаю, GTA 5, так, GTA 5. Значиться, що нам треба? I'm assistance. Game.
Come on!
Ось так.
Car's up here! Let's go! Move! Come on! The kid might have bailed! This wasn't in the job description! Come on! Get to the driver!
А що перший час, коли прийшов, так прийшов. Є відео на YouTube каналі. А майже цього року. Там завтра почне частка буде, напевно. А так там 11 відосів
Let's get out of here!
цілком.
Man for himself!
Чому всіх добили, да?
Get in here.
Сідаємо в машину. Що, чому так довго зайняло часу?
Drive!
Заткнись і керуй.
Fucking put that bitch's face against the glass. You see that? Yeah, you're a real stout.
Бе-бе-бе-бе-бе-бе.
Fuck, how'd that happen? Go, 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 go!
Я не веду, чому такий древний хук? Кіроуцу забили. Би це б не кіношний хук зовсім некий. Ледь чутно гэтых самых усіх. Let's get to the chopper. Гэта спасылка на гэтага самага. Я не памятаю адкуль гэта. З хищника ці з камандаса нейкага. Get to the chopper, acknowledge with thank you.
Coming our way!
Be cool! They ain't made this car yet.
Man, I'll believe in this bird when I get eyes on it. Shit, shit, shit! Roadblock!
Так, где у меня тормозы?
Hey, man!
Ой, добре залетели. Только, на жаль, не поехали. Зачепило на строчке.
You guys alright? Fuck!
Шистко в пожонку.
Ditch the car, alright? We can go this way to the chopper.
No! Hey! Stick to the plan!
What?
Stick to the fucking plan! Come on! Where the fuck's the chopper? Fuck. Around back. Ah!
Oh, the fucking fence! Someone must have fucking talked!
Alright, Brad's gonna be fine. We gotta get the fuck out of here. Fuck. I'm hit.
О, ні, всіх завалили.
Go.
No! Come on! Come on! Kill me, you prick! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! I'm standing here! Finish me! Fucking die! All of you!
А ще більш копов.
Hey, you, hey!
Да що?
Stay back! You come near me, you fucking dead! Stay back! Go! Go!
Убег. Тобок Майкла завалили, Брейда завалили.
Was not always a good husband, not always a good citizen. He did not die a hero's death, but he was a man. Our Lord was crucified with 2 thieves.
А когда той коп, який стріляв.
We should not judge.
Rockstar Games презентує.
We are born of sin, and we die in sin.
Але Майкл живий.
Father, we do not know your infinite mysteries, but we know that you will show mercy to us.
Your son, James.
Твой сын Джеймс. Він добрий хлопчик.
He's a good kid? A good kid. Why? Does he help
Чому?
the fucking poor? No. He sits on his ass all day, smoking dope and jerking off while he plays that fucking game. If that's our
Я не буду
standard
это
of
перекладать.
living, no wonder this country's screwed.
And what about you?
What about me? Hey. I don't have the advantages that kid has. By the time I was his age, I'd already been in prison twice. I robbed banks. I ran whores. I smuggled dope.
And you consider them achievements?
These were the opportunities I had. At least I took them.
And where did these opportunities get you, Michael?
They got me right fucking here. The end of the road. With a big house
А можна додати это самое? Хуку все ж таки ніяк.
and a
Нельзя.
useless kid, and I'm stuck talking to you because no one else gives a shit. Oh, I'm living a dream, baby. And that dream is fucked. It is fucking fucked.
Let it all out.
I think I just did.
Жаль, на GTA опять не зробили біорисізатор?
Think that's all we have
Як
time
так?
for? The same time next week?
Там же ж тільки
Yes.
текст.
I gotta tell you, I ain't too sure this shit is working for me.
Well, a sense of overriding futility is a vital part of the process. Embrace it.
Whatever you say, Doc.
Это самый, як это называется райончик? Санта-Мария, пляж Санта-Мария.
I know just how you feel.
Man, shit gotta be around here somewhere.
Unless they buried it under the sand, fool. Another brilliant Lamar Davis production.
Man, fuck you. Hey, excuse me, homie. Can you tell me where Berto Beach House is?
No, homie, I cannot.
Man, won't you come on?
Actually, yeah. It's that house right there with the yellow stairs.
Yeah. Good looking out, homie. Appreciate it.
Man, get your stupid ass on. Damn. Why don't you ask him if he knows the fucking owner? Or better yet, do some skywriting that reads there's a couple niggas here about to boost some cars in case somebody didn't...
Засуджую, Галишта.
You don't realize that we ain't boosting. This shit is legit business.
Я не виду.
Shit. Oh yeah, I forgot, huh? 401ks, tax returns and all? Yeah, right.
You the one all pumped up on doing this lick, nigga. I'm getting my
О,
money. in the hood.
два
Straight,
уже.
fool. I'm cool.
You cool, cool.
Давайте
What,
лечить.
slinging dope and throwing
Уже
the
два
gang
есть.
signs? Yeah, right.
Whatever, homie.
Два треба, хоми.
Yeah, homie. This the spin knot right here. Your boy Simeon wasn't bullshit.
Man, get your ass in there.
Man, bring your ass, fool. Always trying to boss somebody. Come on.
Давай, давай, давай.
Damn. This nigga must got the baby dick.
Так, третий раз уже.
And all this shit paid for with bad credit.
Ось питаннячко, червоную чи білою?
Which one you want, nigga?
Давай. Бля, уже 4, уже 4. И только первая миссия у хуйни, уже 4 раза сказал.
Oh, you balling hard with the drop top, huh?
I might just be.
Whatever, nigga. It ain't gonna make you go no
5 раз.
Speakerphone, I'm moving.
Oh, it's like that, nigga?
6. Ой-ой-ой-ой, що ж ти так хутко поворочуєш-то?
Right up here, homie. I'm about to go nice and slow for your bitch ass.
Okay.
Трошки розбили. Буває.
Hey, remember we gotta be careful with these rides, homie. The Simeon ain't about to dock my pay again.
Homie, man, if you need some bread, I can hook you up with JB's tow truck. It ain't got glamour, but it's some money to be made.
So him and Tanya can smoke crack in peace? Homie, I'm good.
Loco, Any ticket we get gonna go on that fool.
Тихо, тихо, тихо.
But in that case, we might as well enjoy ourselves.
Так, ну музыка такая себе у його гуляє.
Right, homie.
Shit, cool, homie.
Hang 'em right there.
All right.
Let's show these movie people how we roll.
Oh, we filming shit.
Куди ти? Подковуй мені.
You ain't even testing me.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Є.
Shit.
Але я добре полетів.
Damn, dog, how much we getting for these repos? I'm gonna be one reluctant motherfucker giving this up.
Man, there's enough bad credit going
А
around.
чому ми по зустрічній полосі їхали?
Endless supply in this fucked up ass country.
Це нормально було? Ну дякую.
But I hear you.
Тут угол headlight мо. Можна фари включити. Самому. Самому можна фари включати. Пришпільно.
I'm schooling your ass, boy.
Я до нього ззаду їхав.
What you going slow up the road for, dog? Move over so the traffic can flow through.
Whatever, nigga. I'll let something flow through your ass.
Я збився, це які вже? Сьомий?
Oh shit, the one time.
Be cool, fool. We got the paperwork.
Whatever, you explain that shit. I'll see you at the dealership.
Explain that shit my ass.
Так, треба збігти від поліції. Ну ти не вельми умний поліцейський, я правильно розумію? Так, скрылись от полиции, поехали сюда. Так, я хотел зайти у Навады. Аудио. Угу. Тобок тут голосов. А, диалог буст можно зробити. Давай на максимум похуй поспробуем. Поглядим, що это робить. Угу.
I don't get you, bro.
You are a racist and I don't like you. And I will not sell you this car. I will not. You make my skin crawl, you neo-Nazi. Hey, you are all the same.
Где танки,
This
Джимми?
racist insulted me.
Hey, what's up, fool? Who you calling a nigga?
No, I'm not calling nobody a nigga.
Wait, what the fuck?
I mean, N-word. That's not cool, man. I don't see that.
You fucking right, and you better keep.
А,
it
я
right.
так
This
сама
man
не казал,
right here,
конечно.
He's an international businessman, a multiculturalist.
That I could not have said better myself. But seriously, maybe he's not a racist. But I don't think that he is man enough for a car like this.
Wait a second.
This guy right here, him, get him a hybrid. That's a real man's car.
I think you are right, Lamar. You get a tax rebate. I understand. Money is an issue, eh?
Money isn't an issue.
This is the best part. Watch this when he real him in. He gonna get all his full money. Watch this.
Look, man, I gotta go. Hey, Simeon, I'm out. I'll holler at you, homie.
Чухали Джимми пятиэтажку.
So, Jimmy, are you sure you are man enough? Take the wheel and show me.
Sure, okay.
How about we fall through, homie?
Get in your car. Так, а это самое, могу ли я отключить это самое? Навигатор. Weapon target simple, hold on, graphic mode. Weapon target simple. GPS route on, off.
I'm gonna knock a bad,
О,
grown and sexy
одразу
bitch.
отключайте, бо вы не вилучите хород, коли ви будете з этим самим,
Your auntie, the
з навигатором гулять.
all that ass, nigga, she got ass.
She grown, yeah. She grown into a fucking idiot.
А так хоч щось запомните.
Sexy.
Sexy? She more like obsessed with sex, nigga.
Oh, mad for the penis. That's exactly how I like my women.
Навигатори розвивають топографічний кретинізм.
Man, shit, it's good to be home.
What's up? Can a low come up in your crib?
Man, fuck you. I'll see you at work.
Oh, nigga, don't hate me because I'm beautiful, nigga. Maybe if you got rid of that old yee-yee ass haircut you got, you get some bitches on your dick. Oh, better yet, maybe Tanisha will call your dog ass if she ever stop fucking with that brain surgeon, the lawyer she fucking with. Nigga.
Хрень. Бук.
Ooh, honey. Y'all telling me? Oh, he here. We living on top of each other, and it ain't right. Shoo! Shoo! Get on out of here. Okay, baby. I see.
Просто я начитанный человек. Ему нравится читать книги.
Don't be listening. Goddamn freeloader.
Блин, а вот у меня больше прибрано упаковочку. Ну что, поедем в обувный магазинчик. Ось сюди. Обуток набивать. Можна постричься. А до комісії де? Треба до гэтага до Семена ехать? Прислухаю як шмат активністю. Ой, ну бачиш, ти ставиш крижик, я на честь мопи відчиняю. Ладно, здесь мусить быть тоньше. И что натиснуть?
Franklin! Hey, what's going down, homie?
The market, my boy. Liquidity's a bitch. Get over here so I can give you the new repo list.
All right, dog. I'll be around when I get a chance.
How are you? I don't need a man. I put food on my own table. I can unclog the toilet, and the good Lord gave me lots.
Хотел вверх натиснуть, покликать своего коня. Серьезно? О, а я это место ведаю. Тамака. Это побольше с Хроп-стритом. Не? Тамака не Хроп-стрит. Ось коли сюди приїхати, я приїду на Хроп-стрит. Давайте проверим. Не приеду, подается. Трамвайная станция. Зачем уже не то? Ой, что это за каток не Хроп-стрит? Ну, подобно на Хроп-стрит. Только тут баусы живут. Хата Сіджея, хата Світа і хата Райдера. Моста тільки нема. Это що за будинок? А ось тут таке 10 Big Smoke живе. Ось за той штукой, що я казав. Ось за этой. Вельми подобное место. Здесь вот что такое может Big Smoke жить. Припустим, что, блин, ну тут нема живых домов. А ось і мост. Да куди ти подколуй мені? Щоб прямо все добре було. У вас тут процесс? Протест с парковочных мест? Есть набор, минимум набор. Их там протест супать на этих самых мест укрытий.
Hey, what's up, Simeon?
My dear boy, so good to see you. So good. Hold me.
Yeah, look.
Обдами меня.
Look, we've been working together for about a few months now, right?
Which is why I am very honored to announce to you that you are Employee of the Month. Huh? Anyway, congratulations. It wasn't easy picking a winner.
Yeah, me, Lamar, your nephew Sacha with the Twitch. Look, man, it's been a real honor, homie. But I gotta move forward in my life. It seems like all I do is let people tell me what to do and I do it and nothing changes.
I tell you what, my boy. You tell me exactly what you want, and I will very carefully explain to you why it cannot be.
What?
Today is repossessing vehicles that fools have purchased at exorbitant interest rates. But tomorrow, together, I never had a black son. But if I did, I want him to be just like you.
Knock, knock, niggas.
Hello, Lamar.
What's up, homie? What's up, then, homie?
What's up, dog?
Franklin here has been awarded Employee of the Month.
You fucking with me, right?
Man, we both being fucked with, dog.
Man, knock it off, man. For real, after all the motherfucking work I put in, man.
Man, fuck this employee of the month shit, homie. I'm sitting up here trying
What
to get
you
us...
mean, fuck this employee of the month shit, man? When there's some shit to be won, goddammit, I want it. I don't give a fuck what it is. You know what I'm talking about? I take no prisoners. I go hard doing this shit. Big dog, big nuts. When names is on the motherfucking board, I want to see my name at the top of that motherfucking next to it. It needs to say, winner.
Hey, maybe next month, huh?
Man, fuck next month, Simeon. What about today? I demand a retrial.
Today is nothing, just a bike. Hasn't made the payment at all. Some kid at Vespucci Beach. His name is Esteban Jimenez.
Is he in the gang?
Curiously enough, I did not inquire when he bought the bike.
We got work to do, employee of the month.
Man, fuck you and come on.
Man, you was about a yes mouse ass nigga. What we waiting for? Magellan Ave, nigga. Vespucci Beach. And you still rolling with that old raggedy ass hair? That country bumpkin shit is enough to...
Так, як поїхати до Vespucci
I never
Beach?
took you to be old hairstylist type bitch, but now it's all starting to make sense. Hey, wasn't that motherfucker who took the bike that S.A. Vagos dude? With the tattoo on his face and shit?
Куди ти на червоний їдеш, ну?
Fuck, homie. I don't want no unnecessary bullshit here, alright?
Nigga, I don't give a shit. There's a reason Simeon pays a couple of mean-looking motherfuckers to come repo this shit. He ain't Girl Scouts.
In your case, I ain't so sure about that.
Man, step up, nigga. Of course this dude real. Who else gonna have the required surplus of paper and deficiency of brain cells? He just put a dub down on this bike.
20 G's?
With a 3G note?
Damn, that motherfucker must be tricked out, dog.
Man, this whole setup...
Ну, туди поїхав, не? Я не туди поїхав.
This whole setup designed to take drug money.
Alright, man, look, we go in
Ну,
quiet.
поки що вивчаємо город, так що все нормально.
I'll try, homie, but I'm one loud, dramatic, brass, crazy, greedy, shooting motherfucker in the back type motherfucker. And you love me for it. You love me for it, nigga.
Yeah, that's right, homie. Nothing but love, nigga.
I'd Simeon a funny dude, though. It's gonna be a shame when we get to book his ass and jack him for all this shit.
What the fuck you talking about? You're a psychotic motherfucker.
That's how shit work, ain't it? You do some jobs for a fool, develop a little uneasy relationship, and then they ask you to do something above and beyond. You fall out, fools get capped, and then you start all over again with some other fool.
Where the fuck you get that from? That ain't my life, dummy.
How about the boy with the eye from around the way? Marcus or something? The bike should be in one of the lockups down here.
Should be is the story of your life, asshole.
Vespucci Tattoo.
I'm gonna make this look easy. Think this crazy motherfucker wants something. Hey, what's up, homie? You all right?
No, wait from me! For example, agents!
Кто такой Запа?
Yeah, you thought I was gonna hit your bitch ass, huh? Drunk ass nigga. Be cool, nigga. Yeah, that's right. Keep it moving, bitch.
Man, I don't like this shit one bit.
Это фагасы некие тут
Hey,
живут.
look, let's keep it smooth, homie.
Man, your pussy the only thing that's smooth up in this shit.
Man, what exactly did I do in a past life to deserve
Но не,
those
только не
stupid ass-
черная
It's
кошка.
a routine lick, dog. Chill.
Do them Vagos look routine? This a shady ass alley.
Shit, we in Vespucci Beach.
We on the wrong side of Vespucci Beach. You should know a block makes a difference.
Hey, hold up. Got to be in one of these motherfuckers.
Правильно бежать чуть.
Man, ain't this about a bitch? Ain't no motherfucking bike in here, man.
No shit, nigga.
Hola, amigos.
Hola,
Точно
Edson.
Вагасы.
So you trying to creep up in here, man?
Yeah? You saw this motherfucker?
Oh, shit. Oh, vamos. Fucking down. Come on down, everybody. Come on
Hey,
down.
nigga, I would've just got my ass beat over a fucking gunfight.
Man, stop being a pussy, nigga, and grab that heat. Fuck, they must have heard me. Shit, on your left. Find your bitch ass some cover. Now Now look what you done gone and done. Follow me. Let's get through this. Damn, man. Just when I thought this shit was clearing up.
You sure picked the right people to pick a fight with, nigga.
PC'd up in the pen, nigga. Up there, shoot that nigga. Bust his ass. Look out! They running on you! Get that car, they trying to get out of here! Some more of them niggas! How many they got? Don't fuck with this pyromaniac motherfucker! You still breathing, homie?
Yeah, barely, homie. Yeah, barely, homie.
Shit, we gotta get the fuck away from this shit.
Man, we only came in for a bite.
And that motherfucker is right there. Hey, nigga, come here. We got your pink slip. Let's get him.
Jeszcze CJ стал. Я бы наоборот сказал, что он помолодел, Ник.
You driving, right?
You crazy motherfucker. Why we have to pop all them people?
You was there too. Correct me if I'm wrong, but you shot more of them than I did.
Yeah, but you started this shit, stupid.
Motherfuckers getting away from him.
That's because he's sitting on 140 cubic inches right there, nigga.
Oh, shit. Professor, you're right. We need to shoot him off the bike. A couple of scratches better than nothing. Man, you lost him already.
That's a monster fucking bike, you... Right, stupid.
Get that bike back. Man, get back in here, man. He gonna get... We got it. Take the bike and meet me at the car wash round the way. Be cool, my nigga. I'm finna find a ride.
$80 у его было. Как его шелмо полетел. Ну і воно ж ти слухаєш.
Man, I can't hang with your ass for a while, bro. You a psychopath. You done finally fucking lost it.
Nigga, that's that Apache blood in me, homie. You ain't lucky I ain't do a flying tomahawk and scalp.
Задолбал это любитель книжек уже.
Repo the assets of a dead man, bitch sitting cheap asshole.
Nigga, and we ain't going to neither, nigga. I'm gonna keep this motherfucker for myself. Tell Simeon we couldn't recover.
You fucking tell him, you fucking moron.
А що вони поругалися? Check back heavy hit, вот. You've been saying. Ну, ідея. І що? Нема. Директор мод unlocked.
Man, I can only help so much. There's a time when I gotta stick back and let them cope with a few brain cells they got to.
Ну что, поедем за будком, не? Оуэн. А що вам треба? Хлопці, що треба? Побиться хотите, не? Идемте. Вот сюда. Где честная бойка у нас отбудете? Тут никого нема. Машина. Встреча с getting out home. His big almost done. Ага. Has beats. Is beats. Что такое beats? Сталки? Я не... На якій мові він розмовляє? Що це? We going holla at you dog. Это dog опошнє слово? Що? А будок вось, гляди, магазин на будку тут побач, вось гэта магазин на будку. Бачиш, ось там справа написано, як він називається. Таша. Титаніша, як є там. Соня.
Well, your ass don't look too good. Where the fuck is JB?
Smoking.
And what about you?
I mean, you know, I quit. You know what I'm saying? Almost.
Yeah, whatever.
Не пьяная? Да, слушаю, конечно.
He gonna lose the house. You know what I'm saying? The business, everything, and you his cousin, nigga. You said you was gonna help.
He ain't my cousin.
Whatever, if that's how you feel.
What the fuck do I know about towing cars?
Look, it's easy. If JB can do it, you can do it for fuck's sake. Come on, I'ma show you. Come on. Shit.
All right, then. Shit. Hey, look, let's make this quick. I got shit to do.
Nigga, you need to slow it down. Tanisha was right.
All right, shit, where we going?
Trucks at the Davis Sheriff Impound. Hey!
Да едь ты, ну!
Dragged into this.
We both know you always
Стал стоять.
Shit, Franklin Clinton.
Shit, your ass must be high or something.
I told you, I don't do that shit no more. I mean, I baby dope now and again just for the taste. But I'm doing good, boo. Your eyes don't lie.
Whatever you say, girl. Come on.
О, для пожарных бихитрантов, насколько я памятаю, нельзя парковаться.
Let's go bring the cha-ching, homie.
Таниша.
Vehicle 29, come in. This is dispatch. We got an abandoned car at San Andreas Avenue.
Yo, we on that like ugly on your mama.
10-9, come again? I didn't catch that.
It's Tanya, fool, and my boy Franklin. We filling in for JB.
Copy that. Hi, Tanya. Car's a junker. Been there for days. 10-7. I'm gone.
A bucket. This one should be easy.
Shit, not easy enough for JB to drag his ass out of whatever crack house he laying in.
His loss, your gain, sugar.
Except I ain't gaining shit, sugar.
Move that seat back, and you know
Ох, это полицейский участок, да?
I'm saying. Damn, Tanya, what the fuck happened to you?
Некого боку тут мусить быть. А это не FIB?
Aye, baby. Back it up nice and steady.
The 3-year-old on the playground, the priest in his church. We think everybody should carry weapons at all times. That way nobody gets hurt. It's a proven fact. Where there's more guns, there are less shootings.
Ooh, you ain't taking no prisoners, Franklin.
Mandatory concealed carry for everybody. The nuclear deterrent won the cold
Що, блядь, йому не подобалося, не зрозумів.
Proposition 45.
Ну, і що? Що далі натиснуть?
Weasel News. Devin Weston profits from Congress's decision to allow Merriweather Security Consulting to expand domestic operations.
Судовно. Я мигалки включу.
Experts blame lack of movies.
You said you'd help me.
У що ти її хлопець, гэта місцеві дашики з Ніграді Южного Централу. З Ніграді. Зрозумів. Як опустити гэта кран, бляха-муха? О.
Okay, we are in, baby. Let's get this back to the lot.
Man, this was not how I saw my day going.
Was happy after defeating a government plan to outlaw the expansion of Merriweather's domestic operations. Expect more privatized.
О, там щось типу магазинки були.
I've been trying to branch out.
Ну куди ти на червоний їдеш, ну?
Oh, nigga got airs now. I remember you before you was a wannabe when you just was.
І накаже, що у книг є лучше зараз.
You the one all turfed up. JB smoking, but he ain't smoking homies. He out here grinding, towing cars, paying bills.
For real. Cause I could have sworn it was me out here towing cars.
А чи забанить мене YouTube, коли я буду N-Word замінять на слово книга? Як ви лічите?
Whatever, they'll live.
Это не та Абрама, да?
Okay, we make the drop where they got the areas marked. They get real finicky when we don't leave it in the right place. You gone and lost the car, nigga.
Завтра сам буде, так. Сьогодні мусив бути факрайчик, але слешер захворів.
Look, enough with that shit, all right?
Ain't a crime to let my man know where it's at.
It's okay, Riz. I got this.
Дочопляйте її, ну.
I seen JB do this after a G-Rock. All good, Franklin. Unhook that thing.
Hold.
I'll see you on the block. Anything you need, you holler at me. Now, where is that fool?
О, это моя машина. А що він тут робить? Хто її сюди поприкував? Так, есть Франклин на миссии. Есть Симо на миссии. Можно за финаль, там 2 миссии засталось. Но мы поедем до Франклина. Бо до Франклина ближей. Але это за фіналю тільки перший енкаунтер, а там ще 2 енкаунтери будуть. Але ми вже там не будемо на високій складності гуляти, будемо на звичайній гуляти.
But you know what? It's getting to be a bit much.
I have no idea how you cope.
Треба було машину в гараж поставити. О. Супружистки.
I done all that I could do. But you know how boys are. Wait a minute. Oh, girl. Whew, hey, how much further?
We ain't even gone 5 yards yet.
I know, I'm just asking.
This is spirit walking. Exercises body and soul. It's all the rage. We are women and we are free. Free in the hands of patriarchy. We are women. You are free. We are women. We are free. We are free.
Damn. F, is that your auntie?
Yeah, thank God I missed her crazy ass. She's spirit walking this shit now, man. That's just her attempts to...
Hey, don't be talking shit about your auntie, man. She cool as a motherfucker, man. Come on.
Come with.
You gotta go pick up some shit from around the corner, man. We can walk and talk at the same time, my nigga.
Why the fuck we can't drive?
Around the block with Chop? You need to walk with your fat ass.
Yeah, okay, you tall, linky son of a bitch.
Come on, homie, we ain't got all day. Let's go.
For sure, but what you got up?
Kidnapping, fool. That clown D. That OG fool from Ballers.
Dog, I told you, no more gang-banging retro vengeance bullshit. I'm trying to make some fucking paper.
You gonna make some paper, Lo? And ain't nobody out here gang-banging. It just look like that. You gotta know the difference, man.
Fuck, man, great. My aunt would be very happy, homie. She wants me dead anyway, so she can get the fucking house.
Я гляжу, у його тут прям вечеринка. Прям... А таким только магать можно в таким житті. Get to the one. Окей.
Get in the van, Chop. Get in the van. Good dog.
Go up Vinewood Boulevard.
Vinewood Boulevard. Давайте поглядим, как туда проехать. Тобок мы выезжаем, просто едем весь час прямо.
Hey, I like your dog, homie. Me and Chop got a lot in common. Yo annoying ass.
Man, I'm carrying both of y'all asses, homie. Look what I set up.
Hey, why we doing this, dog?
Man, cuz we something. Getting our income.
More like supplement.
Хотел бока почесать.
Is that fool Simeon looking out for, or is he looking out for himself?
Ой, да не бибикай ты уже, ну. Все нормально.
Gutter ass fools like us get ahead.
By getting serious.
Exactly. We two highly motivated, results-driven motherfuckers with an entrepreneurial mindset.
Oh, yeah. Highly motivated self-starter. Highly motivated self-starter in the kidnapping sector.
Ну, после кожной влаги будет по новой фразу починать, да? Я здесь типа лечился. Тут дороги нема. Это был идеальный план. Или нам треба было наверх ехать.
Chop don't get shit. Chop an intern.
You hear that, Chop? Man, Frank trying to screw you. Chop a free spirit. He bark all he like.
Это Vinewood. Он надпись Vinewood. О, это особняк Биг Смоука, напевно. Ой, Биг Смоука. Мэддога.
He down this alley up here.
Chop need a seatbelt.
Hey, what's up, boo? Ain't you little lady's cousin?
Yeah.
Damn, short with it. I was just saying, I was trying to holler at
And you ain't hollering at nothing over here.
Why does it gotta be like that? I'm an OG.
And OG, so what? So the fuck what, nigga? It's a million OGs
Well,
over
shit,
here.
how about I put one of these little...
Я не про Джоука розмовляють.
Next thing you know, you're gonna be begging for it, boo.
That's disgusting.
What's happening now, D-man? Ain't no fun if the gangsters can't have none.
Man, fuck you, Mark. I ain't sharing no after CGF.
Ain't nobody sharing nothing.
Man, shut the hell up, bitch.
Это Баус, вали Баусу.
Hey, ain't there a law against you mark-ass gangsters, insignia, mask-wearing motherfuckers?
Oh, so what's up now, nigga? You snitching or something,
Oh,
nigga?
shit.
Bitch-ass nigga.
Fuck you, nigga, I'm out of here. Fuck you.
Ничего себе.
Let's go. Go, go, get in the van.
He on a bike, man. We ain't gonna catch him.
On gangster, we got this.
Hold on, Chop.
You seen that bitch back there? She a dime. I'm all over that. And she probably the same. Like I said, they block.
Flock your mind on this shit right here for a minute. You worse than Chop.
Come on, homie, concentrate on the road.
You march for war.
Slipping, fool. Come on, homie, we need the van. This nigga's a punk, homie, and he making you look like one, too.
I don't know why you think that's gonna motivate me, nigga, cause it don't.
He going...
Pull out. You get all sick. Space when you do that shit, homie. That's hilarious.
Go back to the chamber. Man, look at this shit, dog. We chasing another
Треба со дольностью еще ж таки поворачивать. Без дольности трен надо отмыливать.
We snatching his ass right. Remember the homies around the block?
Man, the homies lame.
Блять.
Cops
Як тут узенько.
as they made the ransom call.
Oh, shit. Damn. He got fucked up. Man, take time. Go get that fool.
Я не зауважил, що з цим здарилося.
Come on, Chop. Come on. Go bite his ass. Get that motherfucker, Chop.
Юноша утек. Стал побег. Автовокзал.
This is happening, homie. I don't want to hurt you, and you don't want to get hurt, dog, so be still.
Куди глядіть місцевої ходити, вже годовий план би зробив по шкафах. Так, так. Нічого собі, я хотів перескочити.
This like sprint training.
Блять. Ну ти, Френкі, не дурний.
Come on, boy. Find that fool.
Я забув, як свідчиться.
Sniff him out, Chop Chop. Leave me to him. He hiding in that train, boy. I got your ass.
Я поки нічого не розумію.
Shit, this motherfucker empty. We in this together, Chop. Let's go. Stop running, dog. Man, ain't shit in here. Sniff him out.
Чому ми за хатим челіком у вуголі бігаємо? Що він від нас хоче?
Come on, smell that stinky motherfucker. Hey, Chop, that smell like a baller?
Побігли, побігли, побігли.
Oh, man, that ain't what we after.
О, яка. Погляди.
Man, that's a dude, Chop. Man, you'll fuck anything.
Ми у Call of Duty Ghost веселей було за собаку гулять.
enthusiasm, homie.
Хопить.
Come on, Chop. Get off there, man. We got shit to do.
Это можно показывать на YouTube, на Твиче? Я не ведаю просто.
Filthy motherfucker. Damn, huh? Come on, Chop. Get off there, man. We got shit to do. Man, get out that thing, Chop. You filthy motherfucker.
Блять. Хопить кажу.
Come on, you horny little motherfucker. You need boot camp or some shit. Go, boy. Where the OG at? Come on, Chop. Come on, boy.
Покликай, кликаешь его не моталку.
You in here? You scared of dogs, nigga? Oh, shit! Fuck you and your stupid dog. Don't hump him. Bite his ass, Chop.
А з другого боку не могли бы идти?
Fuck you, son of a bitch! That bitch just fucking bit me, man! Shut the fuck up. Hey, man, get over here. Oh, shit! What the fuck, man? I ain't got no beef with the CGF. Cause maybe we doing our own thing. What the fuck, man? Fuck fan, punk. Shit. Hey, Lamar Davis, is that you, nigga? Nigga, shut the fuck up. Just get in. Yeah, that's you, nigga. Fucking idiot. Shit. I said I had no beef, man. Shut the fuck up. Hey, man, what the fuck? Get this fucking dog away from me. Come on. Fuck. Hey, if you don't train Chop, he gonna be a lost cause like you, dawg.
We gonna stash this dude at my spot.
Take D to Lamar. Хто такий D? Чому я до його доколупалися?
I've been there when you was in diapers.
Shut up, man. You ain't recognize me.
I knew it was you before you took that flag off. You always been dumb, Lamar.
Really? Well, I guess that means we gonna have to shoot your ass after we pick up our 40 stacks.
You ain't gonna pick up shit. Fans gonna be on you before you can even move, nigga.
Be quiet. I gotta make a call. We got your boy.
You calling them on the cell phone, you dumb motherfucker? They gonna trace this shit in a second.
We want 40,000 and pay me or pay the funeral director, motherfucker.
What the fuck you done? You just gave them our location. Now we gotta let this motherfucker out of here. Get the fuck out of here. And nigga, give me that damn phone.
What the fuck?
Fuck y'all. I'll be seeing y'all soon. The only reason you been seeing shit cause we went easy on your ass. Remember that, dog.
Вітусяндрів, паладін, як у тебе справи, що нового?
This some bullshit. Take me down the cut.
Man, what the fuck is wrong with you, nigga?
I was getting us paid. What the fuck is wrong with you, nigga? That was a good phone.
A good phone? The couch was all over, nigga.
All right, motherfucker.
You the motherfucker. You better watch out for them ballers. They gonna be on you now.
Для кого він мусив скрасти этого самого?
I ain't worried about it. I'm a motherfucking gangster. You know how I do. I can take care of my sizzle.
No, the fuck you kids ain't.
Ах, это цудовно. Это самый початок гульні, нормаль, там, мабуть, 3 місії пройшли ті кольки. Ах, это питальник зник, да? Тут тако был. Будешь все проходить? Ну, будем проходить потиху. Да хай-така. До чого там, до листопада далеко ще. Гульню покуль не викладають, не видаляють. А навошта прихиляться у гэтым самым? Навошта гэтая механіка прихилення? You seen this monkey dude doing his street art? It's a real man, them some authentic lines. Не бачив, не бачив. А що це за місце таке? Налепшие цены. Опана. Спранг. А что тут еще так закинуто? Это гета некая. Премиум Делюкс Мотоспорт. Ти бачиш, я тут їду?
What? No. What are you talking about? Something like that.
Excuse me.
Wait.
That
wait,
boy. I am his mentor. I am so proud of you.
What do you mean, a mentor?
Don't worry about that.
Okay, so what you got for him?
James DeSanta. Some kid. He is already late on his payments, and I have this bad feeling that he will do more damage to the car than we can get back from him in the exorbitant interest rate payments, huh? Just go and get it. The house is on, Hampstead, off Eclipse. It's an SUV. Some Rockford Hill daddy's boy nonsense. Don't worry about it. Try to bring the car back in good condition, huh?
I got you. Don't worry about it.
It's so good to see you, my boy. Hey, good luck in law school, huh? So, Mr. Kenneth, were we at financing?
The financing, it seems like a shitty deal.
Погнали до мистера Десанты. Давай нам целку за пошука дали.
Hey, did you change your mind?
When I discover that you betray me, perhaps. I hear you took the bike for yourself, my employee of the month.
Listen, man, me and Lamar was gonna get that back to you, dawg.
Oh, I am sure. You will get this car off the daddy's boy, and then we talk. Insurance papers say they have a locked garage, so you'll need to gain access from inside the house.
Man, it's never easy with you, is it, Simeon?
Do not talk to me about easy, you thief.
Ён даведаўся, гэтага Марка планаваў скрасці мотоцикл і зваліўся на мяне. Смешных это армянин. Так, так. А ты паладин проходил ее? А. Я ж ключов нема. Это ж не моя хата. Я и забылся.
Who are you?
Я ж по стелсі пройшов. Ну, L3. Я так и крался. Те не так крался. Нашел. Зависая нечто.
That's just because you have a massive gaper, bitch.
Fucking homo, you're dead. Dad! He said I had a massive... Call me a bitch!
You tried to knife attack me? No one creeps on the J-Dog, my niggas.
Постоянно гуляю.
Holy fucking shit, bro! Dad! Dad, there's a dude! Dad, help! Dad!
А что, его боковой зор есть, что? Я думал, он сидит слепый
Tried to
там.
knife attack me? Holy fucking shit, bro! Dad! He tried to knife attack me?
Oh my god, seriously? My brother is such a homo. I think he has a medical problem. Like, more medical problems than the ones he's already been diagnosed with. Mental
Это на кому?
Seriously, penises are not meant to be that small. I'd fucking know, right? I've seen enough of them. It's probably because he's so fat. I still love him, though. Sort of. Well, the other
Это
day,
я
I
на
walked in on him.
тьютер выкладаю, это эти что?
Over pictures of
TikTok.
my friends. No, not you. The hot ones, Lauren and Lisa.
Ладно, наверное, кому-то
I
телефоную.
didn't mean it like that. You're beautiful.
А, парни,
And
что ли?
interesting. It's just that, you know, guys don't. They just don't get you. Hello? Hello? Fuck. Whatever. Bitch.
Thank you, coach.
Давай, научи ей гулять в теннис.
You're a real pro, Mrs. DeSanta. A real pro. Well, you're a great student. Now just loosen up those hips.
Okay, like this?
Yeah, loosen them up. There you go. And follow through. Perfect.
Oh, okay. I think I'm
А к этому
getting it.
містеру Десанті все одно, що він тут робить, да? Тобі все одно? Сховався там під ковдрою і лежиш? Блять. Хто дав йому працовника місяця?
Hey, Simeon, I got the ride, man. I'm coming back.
If you actually bring the repossession to me this time, I can have it back out on the street before the day is done.
That's a 9mm semi-automatic pushed against your skull. Look around. You just keep driving where you're going.
Hey, come on, man. This was a repo job. Guy was behind on his fucking note.
Unlikely, considering my son just got the car. And looking at the way you're going about this, my guess, you're working a credit fraud.
Credit fraud? Be serious, dude. I just worked the fucking repos.
I appreciate it. Easy. I appreciate
А
it.
що у мене здольності нема? Не активується.
Yeah, maybe one day we'll have a beer, and I'll explain how the world really works. Who gives you the slip?
A car...
Watch it.
A car dealer, dawg, by the name of Simeon Yeteri.
So this businessman, he look legit to you?
Look, man, it's just between him and your fucking son.
Don't worry. Me and Mr. Yetarian, we'll work this out.
Hey, man, it's Jess up here.
Okay, stop the car. Pull up. That the place?
Yeah, this the place, man.
Макоудаун? Не-не-не.
Drive into it.
Я на просто, мабуть, у этой миссии не активуется.
Fast. Or I'll put 2 rounds in the back of your skull and do it myself.
Бо тут диалоги, усё гэта.
I look like a fucking joke to you.
Man, Fuck my life, man. Fuck it.
Ram it already.
Хотите побачить нечто глупое? Самая глупая речь в свете. Дорого. Треба подъехать вот сюда.
Come on, kid.
Пофиксили? Пофиксили? Я не пофиксили.
Franklin, what the fuck are you doing? Mr. Samuel, it's not exactly how it looks.
I always trump big for a job well done. Get out of here, kid.
You motherfucker!
Там просто ты ехал на тихой скорости, на такой тихой-тихой. И потом бах, у катсцену эту. Ух ты. А як биться?
You'll pay for that with...
I spit on punks. You recognize this car? Huh? Does it look like it's worth $5 grand a month to you?
You fucking racist!
I'll tell you something. This thing's gonna need some serious body work, or it's worth $5 grand a month.
He agreed to financing. I have his signature.
Yeah, did he agree to have some punk break into my fucking house?
I don't know.
That kid might be a fucking idiot, but you are a fraudulent scumbag piece of shit. Ugh. Don't make me have to come back here.
Я натиснул вверх, как покликать своего коня. Где мой конь? Где мой конь?
Yeah, it's me. What do you want?
The job is awesome. I love my boss.
Да стой ты, червоный колик, куда поехали, червоный колик, говорит, ну.
Don't act like a tough guy. Oh, fuck. You sick?
Команда. Michael, you brought that cord, but never used it. My grip and ball control has been approved. Coach SV
Los Santos
hacked on me.
Songs about having a good time.
Коня мне полцарства даю за коня.
Play some racquetball or squash and hug it out and tussle each other's hair and walk with your hand in each other's back.
Что тут отбывается? Это про инопланетян улочка это, не?
Excuse me, sir. Can I talk to you for a second?
The fuck are you talking about?
Legalize sweet.
Hotline straight down.
Don't say no
That
to
this
dope.
state makes illegal. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about.
I don't give a fuck about reefer.
No, they rigged the vote. I saw the ballots. It's a lie.
It's democracy at work, amigo.
Democracy can suck my fatty. Democracy only works when it lets intelligent people do what they
При переходе полового царства захубилось.
Tyranny by morons.
Yeah, well, they got things to take care of in a little place called reality.
You want a drag?
Nah, I'm not a drug guy.
This isn't bushweed. This is mana. I brought myself. No paranoia, no weirdness. A passport to Nirvana. Yeah, here you hardly feel it. Yeah, I smoke all day and I'm fine.
Засуджую количество. Наркотики это дрянно. Зрозумела?
Yeah. I mean,
I'm sure they're nothing serious, but I never let them get too near.
Oh, the fuck!
You the aliens! Это не наркотики? А что это? Это не котики, кажется.
Such a pansy fucking lightweight. You're all in my mind.
О, шутинг вымацевали.
Are we finished yet? Any more of you freaks out there? Oh, shit. Oh, feels so good.
And after that, you see, the liquor company...
Коли Майк вас хопить ему дупу зон засунуть, напевно. Не, просто это знакомитая цитата оттуда.
What just happened?
What are you talking about? We discussed globalization, the state.
Stay the fuck away from me.
What? But it's a good cause.
Пришельниста, пришельцев, инопришеленцев пристреляли. А зеленые хэты можно гулять, да? Я не могу. Так давай тогда напевно змінимо на... І поглядим, що там ближей.
Say again? How the fuck we get fired?
Man, it was partly all that bullshit you pulled, and partly the repo's old man making me crash the car into the dealership.
Ha! You the crazy ass motherfucker in this partnership. You better spin him while you got him.
Yeah, if you say so.
Угу. Так, я его недавно шукав шекспировський Антоній і Клеопатри, шукав на Березький кап на 60-го перекладі. І як отрималося?
That crazy motherfucker Lamar hasn't got you killed yet?
No, not yet.
He must be slacking.
He's always slacking.
He's a fool, bro.
Yeah, sometimes.
Anyway, talking of fools, what would you say if I told you some fools I knew were running a little racing competition? And
Oh,
as luck
okay.
would have it, they got this really beautiful silver medal with your name on it.
I say go fuck yourself.
Bronze
Здесь
medal
переклад 80-х годов, ничего себе. Get a car. Треба ходку машину, ось хотя подойди. Go to the race.
Don't tell me you're having second thoughts.
Let's see what we got.
Блять.
Damn, you might actually be some competition.
Да блять.
I thought you said you could fly.
Сколько тут колов?
Trying to pull some moves.
Здесь не вылетел нахрен. Два кола. Серьезно? Так добро ехали. А я думал, его суперздольность. Нихера это не суперздольность. Все одно упилился, як вылетел, позучу эту самую. Трамвай что-то на дороге, но... Поворачивай! Поворачивай! Тут уже до финиша долетим. Я финишировал! Серьезно? Я финишировал, алло. Там финиш был. Больше футаут подобное. Wipe Invader запустили новый продукт, порадовал, сказали. Про Wipe Invader мы еще сегодня, сподеюсь, доведаемся. Трошки перехулился. Джейм Норрис. Кто такие Джейм Норрис? Все, конец гонки, не? Компромат готовий, як Міхась мог уляпаться у GTA Карл. Не капуциву новую робиться, ех. Вітуси калішта, від Чек Норрис. Я у циву 7 гуляв 2 години. Я нічого не зрозумів. У 7. Ось, гэта хуйня не для мене. Так. Куди ми їдемо? Сюди, напевно, да? Сюди, напевно, поїдемо. Чак Норрис. Так, як ми поїдемо? Поїдемо до стрип-клубу. Ой, до стрип-клубу, до магазина обутку. Потім по прямой до кінофабрики влево. Хто хоче зазирнути у магазин обутку? Табак не для цивы народила. Ну так, так. Я не зрозумів. Я не розумію, як її гулять у гэтую циву. Магазин обутку гэта.
Is everyone in this town so dense? Of course you are! Bro, you want to make some money? Get a car that's big enough and be our driver! On your knees!
Okay.
And stay down till we're gone! We need a car!
Это не big enough. Ось та big enough. Wink wink. Сідайте, хлопці.
All right, let's go! Lose the cops! What the hell was that? I said I had a score. I didn't say I thought of everything. Well, you could have thought of something. A car? Everyone in this shithole city's got a car. Go back to Liberty City, you Irish prick. You know where we'd be if this guy hadn't come along? We wouldn't be sharing the take is where we'd be. We'd be sharing a jail cell.
Гэта не нехта з GTA 4. Персонаж, якого ми зараз... Я нечто в Каліберті Сіті Ай, бляха. На гэтым шкажаванні былі копы.
I swear it's just this guy. Look, man, can you just lose the cops?
I can.
Hey, you got all luck,
Listening to Flylo FM, not only is you a bitch, but you a bitch ass nigga. Yeah, nigga. Hey guys. This is Tyler, and you're listening to Flylo FM. I think my song is right here. It doesn't have a cool intro, so it's just gonna come in right now. Yeah, you're fucking dead now. I'm a salesman, sort of giant.
Хай буде магазин обуту, тільки...
Drop us around the corner, we'll give you
Довези нас туди.
Hey, look, I know I seem like a hothead and an idiot. I am a hothead and a bit of an idiot.
Я думав, ви просто тут вийдете.
Okay, and I can handle myself. I ran with some big guys in LC, and the only guy I know over here.
Вони кажуть, їм треба узад. А мені сюди треба було.
All right, dude. If someone were to mention something like that, I got you.
There's your share, bro. Think of me.
Тысячу дали.
Duke's LC.
High School Member Пики Макрили. Это не кто-то GTA 4, да? Пики Макрили. Довези до магазина ободку. You got lucky there. There are always races going in Los Santos. If you are interested, head to the meet. О. Що тут кіно показують? Я не хочу кіно глядеть. Просто цікаво.
What's up, homie?
Hey, look. Chop got to stay around your crib for a while, homie. That's cool?
Yeah, man, it's cool. Shit's the best place for him anyway.
Ha! Like it ain't nobody out there gunning for your black ass. Bullshit, nigga. Just take care of it, man, alright?
Alright, I got you, dog.
Sorry, move the recorded. Move time. Ага. Не працює зараз. Мені ж міліція від мене удала дві зорочки. 8 most wanted, типа лидики. Да хоббить мне звонить.
Look! You were like a son to me. Employee of the month. Does that mean nothing to you?
Man, the dude had a gun in my head.
No loyalty, no integrity. You should have taken the bullet. My business, my totally legitimate business. You're fucked, my boy. Fucked.
А що було легального в тому бізнесі? Нічого?
Down. It's pretty disgusting. Finger across your face, I think you permanently bless your blood. Nosebleed drugs.
Тут будет поворот налево 10. Я далеко уехал уже. Ты реально гулять за Франклина ни разу не натискаючи на тормоз? Просто ось цікаво. Не отпускаючи газ. А, не, нереально. Все одно уехал в древо. Hi, you Modi motherfucker. I'm giving you that badger. We boosted left at your crib. День мне что дал, короче. Напевно, той мотоцикл, який ми скрали, не? Хоча за все. Не, коло пробите, коло пробите. Бляха, заклинило коло, ну. Машина не едет. Зараз копи доебутся, да? Вайнвуд Плаза. Фіково, що по використанню цієї здольності інерція машини не заховується, можна зробити великий поворот. Наоборот, это нифигово. Это так мусить быть. Мне гонки додалися на мапу. Ну так погнали на гонки ще тоді. Треба тільки машину для гонок знайти. Ось це виглядає як машина для гонок. Почекай. Що у вас здарилося? Памела Дрейк? Хто така Памела Дрейк?
Marvelous, darling, marvelous. I'm just
Редакторка некая?
close up. I think the director wants me, but I hear he prefers the back door.
Okay. И что?
What happens to the lonely ones? The heartbreakers. Once they grow old and can't break any more hearts. Well, does anyone know? What happens to the wilted flowers? The faded glories?
Сколько годов?
Are we only fit for memories?
Да, погляди на її скулу. Сколько годов? 100?
Let me tell you, John Malone. She may be younger than me, but she's not better. You can bet on that. Wonderful. I don't remember the play, but it's wonderful.
На мою думку, треба заповолити час, щоб у гульця була пару секунд на реакцію. А, тоді б не було б так цікаво. Так и что, будь-яка протягнення, що-нибудь робби бісті, просто можна слізти отсюда.
Do you remember the little attractive slut who stole Malcolm Brotherly from Rosemary Heston? I was that slut. Me. But look at me now.
Так там її хтось хотів уже в бакдор. Это не я знайшов. Добре, я пішов, добре. Ти нічого мені не дасть, правильно?
But I've had work done. But let me tell you, none of it worked. It's a cruel business.
Миссии ніякої тут не буде, короче.
In the old days,
Не виглядає як гоночне. А ось гэта. А ось гэта виглядає. Возьмем червоненькую.
Hey, don't make me commit a 187, home.
You fucking hoodlum.
О, ось вона. Яка нам треба машина. Це гепард?
Give me that car, dog.
No.
Вапит буллет. Это типа тот швайпер? Чи что? $500.
Here we go!
Бля, челик стоял в ахуе. Опасная это отрымливается профессия. Стяжки гэтай кидать. Ну что, прилетим без тормозов в этот поворот? Як тут вузенько. Вона вот со здольністю не змог повергнути, нічого собі. Special capacity 100. О, это летю столб не улетел. Дивно, що вони за мною поспівають. Я то зовсім на тормоз не тисну. Як вони за мною поспівають, мені цікаво. А когда напевно скрипти їх примушають поспівати, да? Типу, як мені цікаво було у этого чого гулять. Типу, я з щитами, я не з щитами. Такі правила, не? Бо я ухожу в повороти тільки тому, що я роблю не фізичні речі, фізично неможливе. Як вони в повороти виходять? У них така ж здольність, як у мене? Бо я бы улетел без этой здольности зараз. Тут бы я в жизни не повергнул. А тут я не только поверхности, я еще и скоткость заховал. Бачили, проиграл перед самым финишем. Нет! В конце урезался все ж таки. Я ось на його і чекав. Гребаный фургончик с Морозевым. И что он там вези? Бляха. Серьезно? Этот пуп не сбился. Як не надо одразу хуткость терять, коли меня обгоняют. А так не отстают. Я отмовился поворачивать. Просто такие еду прямо, мне все одно. TNT. Ну что такое умазался в когось у минулый раз? Ось... Чому зараз ось такий фініш? А коли я туди їхав? Так это самое. З полгодини фініш это був. Со мной еще девчина сидела некая побач. А чему не Таниша? Что у вас тут такое? Папарацци. Что за херня?
Hey, whoa, back off there, cowboy. I know my constitutional rights. Anyway, I know you're coming here to suck cock, so it's all right.
What the fuck you talking about?
Wow, hey, look, I saw Quarterback Blues, man. And, you know, some of those older records...
Quarterback Blues?
Closeted, I'm just saying.
What? A black man walking in Vinewood, you think he Clay PG sellout? You bitch-ass punk motherfucker.
Oh, shit, man. Oh, hey, I'm sorry, dude. I didn't have my contacts in, you know?
Что оно вылетает-то, ну? О. А хук? Хук есть.
Gangster rap. Yo, sup?
Man, who gives a fuck if he's gay or not, man? The man is not married. It's his business. Leave motherfuckers alone.
Well, look, I'm just saying that it's the hypocrisy that I can't stand. You know, I mean, of celebrities. Right? I mean, PG, right? He says he's a killer and a murderer and all that great stuff. And then, what, he loves his mother and likes show tunes. I mean, really, what kind of message does that send in our kids? You know what I'm saying? The guy's a fraud.
But why do you care, man?
Well, yeah, because, you know why? Because they all think they're gods, right? Well, fuck them! Fuck them! Fuck them! Fuck them! Fuck them! Fuck them! They're not magic! No, they're no better than me. They're no better than me. Shit! Oh, shit! Oh my god, it's Miranda! Miranda, I love you, Miranda! Come on! Come on, it's fucking Miranda fucking Cowan!
Man,
God, she's a fucking megastar!
No, leave me out your shit, man.
Oh, no, we can make beaucoup bucks here, man! We get one picture of her hairy legs or her aging muffin. We are in the money, man! In the money, bro! Come on! Come on, man! Come on!
What the fuck is wrong with me?
Let's go! You drive, I'll get the shot! Go! Get us right up alongside that limo! I mean, next to her window! Come on, I can't shoot shit from it! Hey, here! You bitch! Yeah! Oh yeah, give me more. I don't believe it! She's slamming a speedball in there, man! This is journalistic gold! You know you want it, Cowan! Come on! You ruined Mark Bossenberg's wife's life! Man, they don't call her the silicone slattern for nothing. She looks like a bloodhound in a wind tunnel. God, I love her.
Oh, man, no wonder this whole town's in therapy.
She's a goddess. He's a whore. Oh, it's your marriage-busting muff, Miranda. You bitch. Well done on the rehab. Not. Homewrecker. Harlot. I love her. I hate her.
We done yet?
No, she still looks too good. I want the prisoner of war shot. That's where the big zeros are.
Сколько треба за ее ехать?
Fuck you, Beverly. This one's mine. Oh, no. It's that bottom feeder Madison. Shit, he's getting the money shots. Where's your dignity, man? Forget Miranda. We can't let him steal my exclusive. Get alongside him. I'll knock the weasel off. Stay on that bastard! He's getting away! Come on! Come on! I'm gonna look that back! You're crazy!
Да что ж ты такие кривые-то, ну?
Oh yeah, I downloaded your pictures to the fucking road, Madison! Now grow up and get a boy's name. Okay, buddy, let's get out of here. I'm already late for another stakeout.
Get the fuck away from me. I'm done with you.
There's a small parking lot by the Cafe Redemption Courtyard in Morningwood. Drop me there, and you can keep the bike, because I look after my people.
Look after your people? Man, I know when a ride is hot.
Цікаво, що тут режисури є. Камера ходить поміж персонажів, коли не розмовляють. Навіть більше.
So we splitting what you get for the photo, 50-50, right?
Yeah, well, I kind of thought the bike would cover your share. I mean, I did do all the work.
Man, I probably shouldn't talk, dog, but this is one fucked up line of work your ass in.
It's about staying true to yourself.
With muff shots?
Miranda Cowan's 39 years old. We just made her day, man. They wanted the tramps. They courted it. It's a beautiful, abusive relationship.
So whose day you making next?
Samantha Muldoon, the singer. I got a tip-off she's buying a North Korean baby on the black market. The holy grail of adoption contraband. This could define my career.
Кстати, тут за кожного персонажа різна режисура.
All right, homie. It's been an education, dawg. Look, keep on making the world a better place, you hear me?
The public needs to know. The fans deserve answers.
Shit, not if the question is how low is Miranda Cowan's muff hanging or if she getting banged out by some second-rate director.
They need to know everything.
Ось за гэтага за Франкліна камера трясецца. Быццам бы здымаюць, ну, не ведаеш, на телефон, на мобілку.
Look, don't wait around for me,
Блохните.
homie.
Oh, I'm waiting for you, homie.
За гэтага самага Самайку, як фільму пастановы. А за Тревора як реаліті-шоу. Ну що, потім заб'єм hole-in-one? Нема дурних. Калі б гэта быў покер, я б абавязкова туды зазірнуў. Гольд? Не. А що, ёсць яшчэ? А, гэта псіхатэрапеўт есть, гэта самае. Зразумеў.
Ooh, too close. Oh, man.
Shit! Holy shit!
PCJ-600. Ну, уже отчиняють мне ворот. А что тут написано? Armed Response Group Crash 6. Не разумею, это нечто на американском написано, я не виду. То поки не чекав, покуль наступний день буде. Father, son. Ось бачиш, зараз камера не труситься.
Come by for that drink you offered, that's all.
Бо це місія Майкла.
What?
Тут постановка як у фільмах.
You're here, whatever. Sit.
Так, почекайте зараз. Ніщо важне. Протягуємо.
You're not gonna rob me again.
Man, I never robbed you. That was just a repossession.
Okay.
Repossession? Що значить repossession?
I really don't care. What can I do for you?
Shit, I just came by to see if there's something I can help you with. I see you doing well for yourself.
Look, I'm retired.
Ain't you a bit young for the pipe, slippers, and staring at a fucking sunset?
You know, I've been in this game for a lot of years, and I got out alive. That makes me the right age. You look like a good kid. But if you want my advice, give this shit up. You work hard, screw over everybody that you love. Hurt, rob, kill indiscriminately, and maybe, just maybe if you're lucky, you become a 3-bit gangster. It's bullshit. Go to college. Then you're gonna rip people off and get paid for it. It's called capitalism.
So what I saw the other day was like when a corpse briefly reanimates itself and terrorizes everyone, right?
What you saw the other day was a guy dealing with pests.
I guess I never saw myself as just a fucking pest.
Well, and today's lesson's all about humility. Tomorrow we'll try a training montage.
A training what?
Nothing. I was just lost in an 80s movie fantasy.
Yeah, I can see you spend a lot of time there.
А що це за фільм такий тренінг-монтаж?
That's why you here in Vinewood then, right?
Maybe I'm here because I'm just an idiot who thinks that imported palm trees are a good substitute for not really knowing what the fuck you're doing on this earth.
Jesus, man. You a good time, you know that?
I tell you what. Least I can do is buy you that beer. There's a little bar I like. It's not too far from here. Let's go.
All right, man. I'm following you.
Let's
Його
get the
така
man a
походка,
cigar.
як у бочари.
Hey, Jim. I'm going for a drink with...
Shit! I'm in our boat going down the Western Highway. It's been stolen.
What? The yacht's been stolen?
I was trying to sell it. I know you didn't want it sold, but I need money, and they don't want to buy it. They just want to take it. I'm hiding in the head.
You're insane! All right, I'm coming. For my boat! Alrighty then. Change of plans. My darling boy is in trouble.
Hey, I'll help you out.
Это та миссия, где их яхту скрали. Так, мы едем готовать.
Lesson number 1. Don't ever have kids.
Николь не заводь детей.
I don't think no parenting issues would arise over who had boat privileges and who don't. Shit, motherfuckers would be lucky to sit in a bathtub.
Shit.
Нема здольності, нема здольності.
But, you know, shit, I was making a point.
Як поворачувати без здольності?
Self-deprecation. I know it well.
Yeah, man, but shit, where the boat at?
Little shit's been hijacked. They're somewhere on the Western Highway.
Man, ain't you worried?
About my boat? Yeah, I am.
But you can always buy another boat.
Yeah, tell my accountant that.
Man, you can always get credit for one.
But have you come repo it?
What the fuck?
No, thank you.
All right, homie.
I ain't your homie. I'm someone you want to impress.
Really? Man, I thought you was retired. Why the fuck do I want to impress some slipper-wearing motherfucker?
Because I can still teach you a thing or two. Maybe help you open the door to all the joys that boat-related parenting issues entail.
So I'm gonna help you get this boat back, right?
That you are, my friend.
Який бок я наїдь? Він стоїть. Чекаю, поки я під'їду. З того боку під'їхав, місія провалена. GTA.
Lesson number 1.
Каже, включай это самое навигатор. Я не хочу включать навигатор, я хочу мапу видеть.
Shit, motherfuckers would be lucky to sit in a bathtub.
Shit, things that desperate, huh?
Nah, but, you know, shit, I was making a point.
Mythologizing self-deprecation. I know it well.
Yeah, man, but shit, where the boat at?
Little shit's been hijacked. There's somewhere...
Oh, shit!
There's somewhere on the Western Highway.
Man, ain't you worried?
About my boat? Yeah, I am.
But you can always buy another boat.
It's a job.
Man, you can always get credit for one.
But have you come repo it? No, thank you.
All right, homie.
I ain't your homie. I'm someone you want to impress.
Really? Man, I thought you was retired. Why the fuck do I want to impress some slipper-wearing motherfucker?
Because I can still teach you a thing or two. Maybe help you open the door to all the joys that boat-related parenting issues entail. You fucking dick.
Crystal. Його на машині номер Crystal. Щоб гэта не значило. Это машина його жонки, мабуть, Аманди. Crystal.
Oh, there it is. That's my boat.
Your boat's in a fucking hurry, man.
Yeah, well, we'll catch him.
Get Franklin close to the yacht. Давайте.
We got a plan?
Sure. Once I get us
Удача был план. It's a nice one.
More like the falling traffic party.
You'll be fine. Anything happens, I got a piece in the glove box. I'll cover you.
Oh yeah, man, fine. Just fucking fine. So you thought of everything, right?
Well, you said you want to learn the old way of doing things. This is the old way.
Да блять.
Oh, come on, my boat!
І куди він пішов? Складано, слухай, ну.
Oh, there it is. That's my boat.
Your boat's in a fucking hurry, man.
Yeah, well, we'll catch him.
We got a plan?
Sure. Once I get us up close, you're the boarding party.
More like the falling in traffic party.
You'll be fine. Anything happens, I got a piece in the glove box. I'll cover you.
Oh yeah, man, fine. Just fucking fine. So you thought of everything, right?
Well, you said you want to learn the old way of doing things. This is the old way.
Hey, you want me to do this shit? You better get me closer, man. Hey, man, you ain't very careful.
Залезай, блядь. О, затиснуло нас. Бляха, як керувати, ну? Тут машини летають повсюду.
Oh, there it is. That's my boat.
Your boat's in a fucking hurry, man.
Yeah, well, we'll
Треба слева подъехать, да? Да блядь. Куди ти поворачуєш? Ну ти бачив, я їду, ну. Едьте прямо, все будет судовно. Нет, я не, блядь, перестроиваются, куда перебуду. Блядь, ну куда ты? Куда ты едешь, блядь? Ну зеркала погляди у люстека. Заднего виду, блядь, котыняка, ну ты, блядь, як можно менять змогу, не поглядевши у люстека, ну? А, треба ззаду? Я думав, треба справа.
Get your ass out of here. Not the engine. Shit. Fucking engine. Hey, stop throwing assholes at me. Be cool, Frank. Be cool. Shit.
Hey, ain't you covering me? Hey, shoot this motherfucker in the face already. Shit.
Я его застрелил уже.
All right, now look for my son. Whoa, crap.
Dad? Wait, you're the guy from the dealership.
Yeah, and it's a long story, bro.
Jimmy! Kid, watch out for the boom! Fuck! Hold on!
Dad! Help! Help! Help!
Это был в Сан-Андреасе. Мы так свита ловили у самой опошней миссии.
The fuck is wrong with you, kid?
Dad!
Don't dad me, you little shit! You better hope she's still seaworthy! Yay!
Hey, get me off this damn thing! I ain't jumping for here, man. Get close! What the fuck? Remind me not to come to you for parenting advice!
That everyone? Alright, time to get the boat back.
Now that doesn't sound good.
Hey, that's the engine, man. We ain't chasing shit in this thing.
Don't break down.
Смотрите, у нас машина взломалась.
Ah, my fucking boat!
Hey, it's just a thing. At least you still got a son.
Hey, it's a chop shop back here, dog. You drive us there, we can get the ride fixed.
Треба машину ремонтовать.
My boat.
It's just a thing.
My boat.
Please stop doing that. Listen, I fucked up, okay? I'm not going to lie. That was a really bad judgment call. But shit, Dad, I nearly died. And all you give a shit about is this fucking boat.
No, it's not that. It's...
А это мы зараз здесь у Исток Бейтинс находимся, да?
I can't get a job. It's all your fucking fault. Or it's not, but it's partly your fault. I mean, I just want to impress you.
By selling my boat to some gangbangers?
I know it sounds dumb when you put it like that, but all you do is daydream or get angry.
Look, I love you, Jimmy, but you're an asshole. And right now, with my boat disappearing over the horizon, that's all I can see. Franklin, would you do me a favor, give this kid a ride home after they fix this thing? I want to headbutt the road in peace.
Oh, great! Leave me with the home invader.
I'll get it done, dog. No problem.
Dad!
Enough, all right? Enough. Franklin, do me a favor. Call me a taxi, will you?
No problem. Hey, I need a cab as soon as you can send one. Los Santos Customs, by the airport. All right, thanks.
Thanks, man.
Hey, so you, do much yachting?
Not anymore. No, I don't.
Before, I mean, man.
No, not really. This little shit stays in his room all day.
Hey, this the place up here. I know this dude, man. His name Hal. He gonna look after me.
All right, take what's in my pocket. A couple $1,000.
О, а от это то, які...
Right?
Yeah, should be cool.
Good.
Які ми у гонках дельничали. Гэнгбэнгеры купили яхту, о, не купили, скрали. А так, да, гэнгбэнгеры.
Yeah, I got this.
Ooh, I'm gonna come up front.
Get out and walk around.
It's okay, I can just climb over.
Look, man, I'm gonna get the ride fixed, man, and drop it back off at your house along with this dude. It's all good, though, man. You go and get your head right, all right?
All right, listen, thanks for today. I appreciate it. You stop back out to the house, we'll talk.
You see?
Show, man. Hey, sorry we didn't get your boat, man.
Yeah.
Come on, man, let's trick this whip, homie.
А ці не на гэтай яхті він буде потім рятувати свою дочку від тимок. Ти про Fame of Shame? Ці на я... Ні, там бойний катер був, корабель. Є команда, гэта машина команди, так. А, вон. Бачу.
For a second, I thought you'd just come here to talk smack about that race you won.
Dude, what's happening? Recondition. Sweet. I almost ain't gonna be embarrassed to borrow this thing.
Гэта все за мої гроші?
Gonna give this lady some curves?
Ні, дякую. Гэта нават не моя машина. Отремонтовали і добре. А йому цілу машину треба привезти? Чи як отримається?
It's Franklin, right?
Yeah, Franklin. Or the credit fraud guy. The home invader. You know what? Call me what you like, man.
Yeah, I mean, sure.
Jimmy, ain't it? Or James?
Jimmy. Or just like Jizzle?
Jizzle?
No. Oh, man, I'll just stick with Jimmy, homie.
So, what's the deal, man?
Huh?
You and my old man? I see you at the dealership. And someone steals my whip. And Papa's all like, he's been down there to talk to you guys.
Your Pops did more than talk.
What'd he do?
Look, man, if he ain't tell you, I ain't gonna tell you. But I lost my fucking job, and I thought maybe he can help me find a new one.
Dude, my dad is retired.
Это нават не моя жонка, конечно, шкода.
Skills are watching TV and daytime drinking.
Man, look, I don't know, homie. He seems okay to me. Shit. He saved your ass.
You saved my ass.
Nah, man. Well, maybe we good together, you know? Like maybe we can get shit done we couldn't do separate.
If it keeps him out of the house, that's cool by me.
Yeah, well, we'll see.
Look, I'm sorry my dad lost you your job. It's hard out there. Tough. I mean, I'm employmentally challenged at the moment.
Oh, you got fired, dude. Damn, that's rough.
Shit! Not fired as such. I didn't get a job.
I've been there, homie. You've been putting them resumes out there, but no one's hiring, huh?
No, I didn't get a job. I've never had a job. It feels like hard work. Life, the days kind of disappear. Hey, you play shit! Hey, you play Righteous Slaughter?
Nah, not since the first couple.
Okay.
Че, дорог скончился? Ну, маль целую привез, поглядим, давайте. Ну, трошки поцарапал. Бабок вести сам.
Yo, so like, since we're both unemployed, like, we could run together, you know?
Yeah, I think about it, homie.
Or we could just, like, shop it, you know? Play darts or get our drink on. Strip clubs. Come on, dude, I get real crazy.
Yeah, I got your number, shit. I need it, man. But, hey, you know what? Man, go easy on your pops, dog, all right?
All right, church.
Exactly, man.
My brother from another mother. I mean, I hope so, because my mom was kind of a skank back in the day. See ya.
Yeah, whatever, homie. Peace.
Так, что у нас есть за миссии? Кто это? Беверли? Я не памятаю, кто такая Беверли. То есть миссия Франклина, да? Амунация, барбершоп, гараж, кейбл-кар. Ну, вот нам кейбл-кар. А, это там. Харвор. Fireground. Right, Розумів. Коло этого самого огляду. Гольф, Руб-стрит гараж. Лос-Сантос Кастом. Кинотеатры. Магазин обутку. Стандпоинт Триал. Это за редера, напевно. Добре, добре, добре. Погнали тоді сюди у Беверли. Беверли, я не пам'ятаю, хто такі Беверли. Папарацци, папарацци. You fucking dog. I've added you on Life Invaders, accept my request, and I can hand. Давайте. Live. Invader. .com. Як знайти Life Invader? Тут є Google. Есть посылка 10 на Life Invader. Да дай мне кажу Life Invader. Як тут зайти? Медиа. О. Лайф. А я лайв уводил. Так, иди тут. Где сябры? Где тогда Джимми, ну? Я вам сказал, да дай меня все сябры. Где Запад? Где он подманул меня, чи что? Где Запад? Он меня обманул. Таниша. Стретч. Беверли додал меня. А Джимми нема тут така.
Joyce from accounting get eaten by a rabid dog. My colleagues in IT are never going to look at me the same way again. Come on!
I had the best time. I don't think I'll miss my legs.
Think again.
Machiavelli 10-miler is over 52,000 feet of torture. Think you're tough?
Кретин меня обманул.
Office bonding like an exciting weekend race that ends in a co-worker's death. In a world of coddled kids and too many trophies, this race tests your mental and physical stamina in a way that will have you scarred for life. Guaranteed. Build character, crush your colleagues, then show off and show.
Я не знайшов, где его запрос. Одно з двух. Beverly, not everyone cut out snapping stars for me, so I sing. Enjoy a little. Lickers.
From Canada, the home of great rock and roll, it's Black Velvet, Alana
Poppy! Oh, hey, homie, come here. You know what? If you thought it was incredible getting a shot of aging trout the other day, you just wait till we get a picture of Poppy Mitchell getting in the dirt.
Так, что Джиммі і остатні сім'ї Десанта уже автоматично знаходяться у списі сябров. Я так розумію, нікого давати не треба. Подманули. Ну, я литерально написал, прими это самое.
America's newest sweetheart? Man, she likes cotton candy and puppy.
Yeah, and getting in the bunghole. Wow. No, seriously, dude. One shot of that dirty little slut monkey, and we're in the money, homie. We're in the money.
And who says America is going to hell?
Well, not me.
Come on, let's move. Now, remember, dude, this is a covert op. We need to blend in. Ninja style. Hey, follow my lead. Confident but forgettable. From here on out, we're ghosts.
Yeah, me and you, we ain't gonna stand out. At all.
Shh, you'll blow our cover.
This should be fucking interesting.
The clips.
I can hear someone. Stay close and play it cool.
What do you want me to do? I'm at work. Just change his diaper. It's not that hard. I don't care if it smells like number 2. He's your grandpa. That's what family do. Listen, I got
Не мексиканский акцент.
do your homework, okay?
Hey, Maria. How it going?
You know, another day, another minimum wage.
You see the state of Bungalow 3?
Come on. They should be just past this pool. They're right around this corner.
Are you ready to see America's sweetheart getting in the sweet meat?
Here, you take the camera. She knows me, dude. I'll keep lookout.
О. А як это, блядь? А, треба було блюрить. Так, почекайте. Окей. Я не подрихтовался. Так, и что? Я не был готов до такого, что... Я не потягиваюсь гэтым займацца. Ой, нас заўважылі.
This way! Come on! Go, go, go!
I will bankrupt you with litigation!
Get the fuck in the car, man!
I can come over.
They're still coming after us! Well, don't just sit there! Film that psycho slut!
Damn! America's sweetheart is one angry-ass bitch.
Yeah, I know! She's terrifying! It's perfect! I'll try to lose them.
I was working on my quads, you idiot!
Straight road coming up! This is your chance to get a good shot of her!
Man, you not the one hanging out this fucking trunk.
You people are stuck!
Man, it's gonna get worse before it get better. Whoa, whoa! What the hell, man? That motherfucker's right on top of us, dawg.
I'm taking a sharp right. Keep that camera on her.
Those two men are child molesters!
go left and cut across the intersection. Hold on. Is that camera even pointed at her?
Yeah, fuck you too, man.
You have no idea what I'm capable of!
I hope you're getting this.
This crazy ass bitch.
Stay on her! Ah, shit! We got traffic ahead! Going left! Keep it steady!
I will fucking destroy you! And everyone who knows you!
Jesus, she's still on us! Screw this!
Я б завтра короче блюром заняться, я зрозумів.
Man, shit. I hope this didn't just turn into a snuff movie.
Whatever, she's fine! We'll wipe the audio. Oh, I can just see the headlines now. Poppy Mitchell crashes car on drug-fueled sex rampage.
Drugs-fueled sex rampage.
Another illuminating experience, homie.
Hey, someone's got to do it. I really don't.
Где-то може страйк отримав на Твічі, ні?
You don't want to become rich beyond your wildest dreams. But then again, you're not an idiot.
No, I am a fucking idiot.
Добре. Тоді на этом, подається, можна на сьогодні скончить. Завтра будемо виконувати або місію Франкліна, або Майкла, не ведаю. Поглядім, куди нас закине. Треба кудись сісти, напевно. Кап добре, закон. Los Santos Tourism Info. This is broken. Can I return it? Гэта некая мага... рух мага, так? Make America Great Again. Вось у гэтым прыгожым месцам мы тады скончым на сёння. Дзякую усім, што былі. І побачимся завтра ў гэтым самым. Як ён завецца-то? Ну як гуляти називається? Ну, серйозний Сэм, во. Все, усім добраніч, гуляйте у добрій відеогульні. І побачимося завтра.